Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yolanda Renee, and today I'm going to be giving you tons of tips on how to shape the perfect curly fro. I recently uploaded a video where I showed you my twisting pattern, which is basically 2 flat twists in the front and then 6 chunky twists in the back, so 3 on each side. The only thing about that video is I took down my hair after wearing a wig for a few days. So right now my hair is literally fresh out of that twisting pattern. However, in the footage where I took it down, I had took the bantu knots down, gathered all the hair in the back, and put it in a low ponytail. So this is how I wear my hair when I want to put a wig on. And wearing a wig and also having this in a ponytail stretched back, it makes the each twist more straight like this. Whereas if you just take it out the bantu knot, it's going to have this like curl to it. So you get totally different results. And so I wanted to come to you guys with both options. So option 1 is keep the bantu knots until your hair is about like 90% dry, and then you can slide the bantu knot down and keep like a hanging bantu knot. I think I want to do an updated hanging bantu knot video. And a hanging bantu knot is when you hold your finger here and you make a little bantu knot on the ends of your twist. So that's a hanging bantu knot to make sure that your ends get this really defined curl in it. And I have a video on it. I'll do update it when I promise. But anyway, I just wanted to take my hair down on camera because I just posted the cutest photo of Ryan and I. So I was like, I have to show them the takedown process and to show them what the curls look like when you don't stretch them. So this is a twist out bantu knot situation. My hair still feels a little bit wet, but look at that definition. And I find that when you have chunkier twists, they end it more and give you this like deep definition. Like look at that. That is like crazy, right? You just twirl the ends a little bit, wherever it's frizzy. See how frizzy that is? And just twirl it around your finger to kind of smooth it out. But it shrinks less than actually styling on super wet hair, you know what I mean? I'm actually getting sick, can you guys hear it? Throat hurts. Alright, so that's just taking down the twist. Now if you want your hair like this, girl, go ahead. I figure out what to separate is I just feel, and if I feel like it's too chunky, or if I can feel that curls are separating, then I just go ahead and go in there. Now for the center, because you know we have a part down our head, that's why it's important when you take this twist, you want to pull it over a center part. When you're separating these twists, you got to move it over because you don't want to have, hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm talking backwards. But it's important to move these curls over. And then you're going to do the same thing over here. Move these over so you can get that part out. But yeah, that's all we're doing is separating right now. Now I'll put a clip of how my hair looked after wearing a wig for a few days so you can see the difference in the curls. Like these are more, I don't know, they're not as straight, you know what I mean? Like the other twists that we did, they were more stretched, so it didn't really have this curl to it. I feel like we have bigger curls because we let them swell up more. If you are that natural who just wants to leave their curls alone to keep this definition for a few days, you can stop here, or you can actually go in with a pick and pick it out. But what I like to do is, before I go in with a hair pick, I like to stretch this, because right now this isn't, there's no shape really. It's too flat and too short for me. So I like to stretch. Grab the front section. Make sure I'm not going to mess with the ends of the hair. I'm just going to blow dry at the root to really give it stretch, because this is shrunken, this is stretched, so I want to get more stretch. So this blow dryer has speed settings, and it also has the cooling button, and it has a temperature setting. So it's good to have it on high heat first to make it cool, and also hold down the cool button. And what that will do is it will stretch your hair with the hot, and then it'll set it with the cool. And it's similar to when you're curling your weaves with a barrel curler. After you curl the hair, you hold the hair and let it cool off before you let it go. So when you hold it and then let it go, the curl is more defined. And it's the same concept when you're stretching your hair too. You stretch with heat, cool it off, and then it should stay wherever you put it. So if you're stretching it out, it should stay there. Or if you're holding it up to curl more, it'll stay that way. So it kind of freezes it, you know what I mean? Alright, so I'm going to start with my heat on high and my speed on high. And then I'm going to use the cool shot once I have it stretched. Why isn't it coming on? It's not even that loud. So we've stretched this side. So as you guys can see, we have some stretch. And don't worry, it might look too stretched at first, but we're gonna go in with a hair pick. We're gonna go in with a hair pick later. Alright, so I'm grabbing my curls so I'm not messing with the curls on the ends. Alright, so already you can see how much stretch we got. And this is before we even decide to pick our hair. So this is the look I desire. I love this length. And again, this is without picking it. But you see, it's a humongous difference. And we haven't even went in yet, because when we start picking, that's going to make it bigger too. And give it more shape. I'm loving that. But anyway, let me know what you think. Like, are you a fan of stretched curls, or you rather have it like blah? No judgment. If you like it like this, then go for it. But I just think it looks so much better stretched, right? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side now. I think of stretched that side too much. But anyway, so now we have our stretch. So now we got to add some body. What you're going to do is pick in the direction you want your fro to go. So if you want your fro to go down, you need to pick down, not up. So the bottom, I always pick going down. The center, I kind of pick going out that way. So down in the back, or wherever you want it to go down, which is usually the bottom layer you want to go down. Make sense? Middle, you're gonna go out a little bit. Top, you're gonna go up. But try to leave the front section alone because you want your curl definition like where your face is. And then once you have the shape, now to make sure it stays this way, you want to grab the ends and then kind of pick the ends of it too, without messing with the curl, but kind of like just clumping those curls so you don't have any like weird spaces like that. So this is where you're kind of shaping it. And I'm using a viewfinder, so I can't even hardly see what I'm doing, but I'm trying. Hopefully it's looking right. So you can turn to the side. Make sure you got your shape right on that side. So there. So again, big difference, right? I already had it stretched. This is stretched, and now this is picked and shaped and fluffed to perfection. This is also where you can get the back to blend, is make sure you're picking that middle part out and you're pulling these curls over here and pulling these curls over there to get that line out. Now for the back, you want to go in sections. So here at this level, you want to make sure all the way across you feel hair. Start at the bottom, then the middle, and I'm just grabbing the root and pulling like that to make sure I know there's no spaces in the back. So make sure it's hair on every level, almost like you're doing cornrows, but this you're making sure there's curls on every row. And remember, pull the bottom down, the middle out, and the top up, and that'll give you the perfect shape. There's curls. Go to the next level and pull, and just make sure everything is nice and blended. Oh, and then sometimes I'll pull it over to the side. If you want the curls to fall, you can put it to the side. You have to play with it a little bit, of course, because we already shaped it to the middle part. So you just got to make sure your curls from the root to the tips is going in the direction you want it to go in. Or you can make it go all in the middle. And then you would have to do like a little bobby pin trick to actually get this to stay up. Or you could pick it up to give it some more height so it wouldn't be so long in your face. Get a little bobby pin, get it right. And you get the points. So many options. But anyway, I'm gonna go now. Kind of messed it up now, but you guys get the point. There's so much you can do with a bomb twist out. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you got a lot of tips to style your fro. I know I am absolutely happy that I finally have a routine that is literally idiot proof and foolproof, and you just come out with a cute style every single time. But anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be down there talking with you guys. Make sure you definitely like this video, comment, engage, share it, get people to subscribe, because right now I'm in a really good space where I'm really excited to film natural hair content, and I really need your encouragement. It's the worst feeling when I create content and there's no views, no engagement. And I work hard on my content. I know there's so many black women out here who need natural hair tips, and I feel like my content is high quality. I think I'm really chill and laid back, encouraging and gentle with you guys, and positive overall, real overall, because I share with you guys my struggles, and you guys see me wearing wigs when I'm not feeling my natural hair. Like, I'm honest about that. So hopefully you guys love this and you share it with your girlfriends. But anyway, thank you guys again. I feel really horrible right now. Can you hear it in my voice? But I was like, I need to film this. I'm taking my hair down, so I want to share it with my girls. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Everybody who has stuck around, thank you so much. Thank you for always messaging me, telling me how you always watch my Back to the Basics series and watch my old videos. You guys were really just waiting for me to come back to YouTube. And check out ADWOA Beauty. And also thank you so much, Sally Beauty, for sending over this bomb blow dryer. Well, I can't hardly think. You guys, when I'm slow and can't think of what to say, it's because I'm looking at myself, making sure the battery's good, make sure the lighting's good. I'm just all over the place, so I'm like absent-minded. But anyway, thank you, Sally Beauty, for sending over the PR box that had this bomb blow dryer in it. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Time to cook dinner and bond with my girls. All right, guys, bye.